Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to reset the network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the general option. Then scroll down to the very bottom to find this option, transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. And as you can see, the second option is connected with the networks, so let's simply tap on Reset Network Settings, and your device will inform you that it will remove all network settings, returning them to the factory defaults. And if you're ready, just tap on Reset Network Settings. Be aware, because this operation cannot be undone, so do it only if you're ready and if you're sure. So just tap on Reset Network Settings, and basically your device is resetting network preferences right now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.